Hi friends, welcome you all my YouTube channel AKY Biotech and hope you all are doing well in this situation. Friend, this video is about some MCQ question from the cell wall. Friends, I already made a video about in detail of the cell wall and uploaded my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched that video, either you click on the I button or you will go to the description box and you will get the link, and please watch that video first before watching this MCQ. Friends, I got many comment from all of you that sometime you will not get the notification from the YouTube when I uploaded a new video. To overcome this problem, I suggest you please follow my AKY Biotech Facebook and Instagram page, and you can also join my AKY Biotech Telegram channel, because when I uploaded a video on the YouTube, side by side I uploaded on the Facebook and I add the link in the Instagram also. You can follow me on AKY Biotech channel on Facebook page and Instagram also.
Hi dear friends, today here we are again with a new video for you. We'll discuss about some of the important questions related to the topic cell wall. So before starting with the video, one thing is that we have discussed about this topic cell wall in detail in our previous video. You can find the link in the description box. First of all, before attempting the questions, I would say that you go through that video. It will be very easy for you to solve all the questions. So let's start with the questions. Number 1, which of the following groups has the cell wall? So the correct option is B1, that is bacteria, fungi and plants. All these three have the cell wall. Next, bacterial cell wall is made up of, so the correct option is D. Bacterial cell wall, it is made up of N-acetyl glucosamine, N-acetyl muramic acid and amino acids. Next, number 3, which of the following statements are not true regarding cell wall? So the correct one is this. We know that cell wall is semi-permeable. This is not the correct option. Cell membrane is semi-permeable, not the cell wall. So the correct options are, finally see that you have to learn these are the correct options. That is plant cell wall, it is made up of cellulose. Plant cell wall is non-living structure, and cell wall, it provides mechanical support to the cell. All these three statements, they are true. So this one is not correct statement. Number 4, plant cell wall is made up of. So the correct option is, it is made up of cellulose, hemicelluloses and pectin. Number 5, chitinous cell wall is present in. This is present in, we know that in fungi. Pectin is stained using. So the pectin, it is stained using ruthenium red. This is the used for the purpose of staining of pectin. Number 7, cellulose is a polymer of 3 glucose units joined together by, so they are joined together by, we know this thing, that is beta one-fold linkage. This one is the correct option. Number 8, chlor zinc iodide is used to stain. This is used to stain cellulose. Next, middle lamella, it is made up of pectin, and pectin is chemically. Any guesses out of the 4 options? So pectin, it is chemically this one, glucuronic and lacturonic acid. Then number 10, which of the following is an aromatic polymer of phenols? So the correct option is lignin. Next, number 11, find cytoplasmic connections between neighboring cells. through the cell wall for cell-to-cell communication is called, this is called as plasmodesmata. This helps in the cell-to-cell communication. Number 12. Which of the following organelle is involved in cell wall synthesis? This is Golgi apparatus. This is involved in cell wall synthesis. Number 13. Which of the following statements are true regarding cellulose synthesis? Out of these statements, you have to, first of all, you read the question carefully whether you have to select the true statements or the false statements. In this case, you have to select the true statements. So the correct option is, we'll read one by one. Cellulose is synthesized on the external surface of the cell. This is also a true statement. Next, the enzyme involved in is a plasma membrane bound complex called cellulose synthetase. This is also true. Then, UDP glucose is the precursor of cellulose. Again, a true statement. So, all these three are the true statements. Next, number 14. Secondary cell wall of plants is, this is located inside the primary wall. Number 15. Which of the statements are incorrect? You have to select the incorrect statements regarding plant cell wall. So, primary and secondary walls are present in meristematic cells. This is the false statement. So, itself, the first one will go for this option. This is an incorrect statement. Rest three statements, you learn them because these are the all three statements. These are correct. I'll read it for you. Secondary cell wall consists of three concentric layers, that is S1, S2 and S3, one after the other. In certain plants, tertiary cell wall is also present which has xylem besides cellulose. And the third option is middle lamella is made up of pectin and lignin. Now moving on to the next question, that is 16 number. Who concluded based on his studies on plant tissues that the presence of cell wall is a unique character of plant cells? So the correct option is Theodore Schwann. Next, kindly see all these scientists' names. You have to learn them properly because many of the questions are put up from these also in the examination. Then number 17. Algae have cell wall made up of. It's made up of cellulose, galactans and mannans. Next, number 18. A protoplast is a cell. So, a protoplast is a cell that is, we all know this is without the cell wall, that is known as the protoplast. Number 19. Which of the following structures between two adjacent cells is an effective transport pathway? We had an earlier question regarding this also, that cell to cell connection, how it is possible. This is with the help of, so this is the connection between two adjacent cells and is an effective transport pathway, that is plasmodesmata. 20. Middle lamella is mainly composed of, this is mainly composed of calcium pactate. Plasmodesmata are, they are, again all these questions are intellect, we have discussed it. So any guesses? So the correct option is this one. These are the connections between adjacent cells. Next, primary cell wall, it consists of loose network of cellulose microfibrils impregnated with the matrix of, so the correct option out of this is hemicellulose and pectin. Number 23. Plasmodesmata connections. They help in, so this is again a question covered previously. They help in movement of substances between cells. 24 number. The property of semi-permeability, this belongs to, this also I have previously mentioned in an early question related to cell wall. So the correct option for this is plasma membrane, that is the semi-permeable, we know. Then 25. Which of the following is not true about cell wall? So the correct option is, false statement is this one. It's not a living structure. Rest 3 are true. Cell wall, it protects cell from mechanical damage. This is also true. Then this is permeable to water. This is true. Then absent in animals. This is also true. Cell wall, as we all know, this is present in plants. 26. Lactans and mannans are important component of cell wall of, these are present in algae. Then 27 number. The common component between the cell wall of algae and plants is, this is cellulose. 28 number. Which of the following cell wall comes early and disappears gradually in the life of a plant? So the correct option is the primary cell wall. It comes early and disappears gradually in the life of a plant. 29. Which of the following connects the cell wall of the neighboring cells? So again, now you have the clear clarity about this question. Connects the cell wall of the neighboring cells, that is the plasmodesmata. This is by plasmodesmata. 30. Which of the following is true about cell wall except? So this one is true about cell wall. Selective permeable in nature. This one is the correct option. This selective permeable in nature, sorry, this one is the false option. We have to select, kindly read it carefully. True about cell wall except, so except this one, rest 3, they are the true statements, because the cell wall, it determines shape of the cell, it prevents cell from bursting and collapsing and prevents strong structural support. Number 31. Plasmodesmata connections help in, they help in, correct option is movement of substances between the cells. 32 number. Find out the incorrect statement. We have to choose the incorrect statement from the following. So the incorrect statement is middle lamella is mainly made up of calcium pactate. This is a true statement. Cell wall is formed from inner side, therefore secondary wall formed before primary wall. This one is the false statement. Rest these two are also true statements. Let's read it. Middle lamella glues the different neighboring cells together and fits are present. They are present in the secondary wall, as we all know. 33. Which organism lacks cell wall out of these? So, out of these, protozoa, it lacks the cell wall. 34 number. Which component is present in the cell wall of fungi? This is also earlier we have discussed a question about it. So, chitin, correct option. Number 38. The cell wall of diatoms. Again an important question asked many times in the examination. Composed of, this is composed of Correct option is this one, biogenic silica. Number 36. Which of the following bacteria lacks cell wall? So the correct option is Mycoplasma pneumoniae. Number 37. What is present in the cell wall of Mycobacterium tuberculosis? So the correct option is mycolic acid. Which of the following antibiotics have the mode of action of inhibition of cell wall synthesis? The correct option is beta-lactams. Number 39. Which of the following cell wall component can effectively defend against lysozyme? So we have the four options. The correct option is pseudomurine. This cell wall component, it can effectively defend against lysozyme. Number 40. Who discovered cell wall? This question has been asked many of the times in the examination. This is Carl Rudolphi. Here comes the explanation for this. Why we have chosen this one, Carl Rudolphi. Robert Hooke. This we know. Again, Robert Hooke, in the year 1665, he observed a component of the cell called the wall, which surrounds the cell, and this scientist, that is Carl Rudolphi and JFK Link, these two found the component independent cell wall in the year 1804. This is an important question. So friends, hope you have liked the video, and these questions, all these questions which we are giving you are helpful for your preparation of the examination. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, do share and do like and share the video.